Live. So I'm going to talk to you guys about this brow gel. We have 3 different products. We have a clear brow gel. So the clear brow gel is good for my clients. I call it a brow glaze. It's good for people who already have some type of brow hair. You see, I have hair, but my brows are also micro shaded. If you just want to brush your brows up and keep them in place and give them a nice little hold, this is perfect for it. So this is the clear brow gel and glaze. Then you have the one in caramel. Caramel is a little lighter brown. And the thing about the colored ones, we have caramel and we also have cocoa. So caramel is more of like your warmer, a lighter brown. And your cocoa is more richer. So if you have darker hairs or if you prefer your brows to look a little darker, it's great for that. It also has some fibers in it. So not only is it going to keep your brows in place, but it's also going to make them look fuller. And it's going to give them a tint. So if you have sparse areas on your brows, if you have gray hairs in your brows, and you're tired of plucking them or shaving them, this is what you need. I'll use both of them and I'll alternate which brows. So if you guys can see my brows, one of my brows heals darker than the other one. So this brow is typically my darker brow. This brow is my lighter brow. I have less hair on this brow as well, right? I should clean them up first, but I don't have a razor by me. I'll use the darker one on the sparse brow. So it's just like mascara. You're going to open it up. A little, see that brush head? That's so small. So tiny. And you're just going to brush it through your brows. So it's going to fill in those areas that look lighter on my brows. If you're one of my clients, look, it already looked the same. If you're one of my clients who is on the fence about coming in to get a touch up, or it might be a small area on your brow that you want to fill in, this is perfect. And if you don't want to use a pencil or a gel, just use this. I know sometimes when you get your brows microbladed or shaded, when you put on makeup, it can the powder will get inside of your brows and it'll make your brows look a little ashy or faded. This is a great product to just put on top. And you see how it already looks fuller and my hairs are standing up. Now, if you don't like your hairs to look straight, to look stand up, that's fine. You can just brush your hairs down. So just brush them in the direction that you want them to brush them. And then they'll stay like that. I like my brows to look a little bushier sometimes. So this is the brow gel in cocoa. So cute. You can pop it in your bag. It's a great addition to your makeup bag. Now, we're going to use caramel on the other side. Now, caramel is a little warmer, is a little softer. So this is great for my ladies who like to wear their hair blonde or brown. And you feel like your brows look a little too dark. Or you guys are, you want them to look a little softer. This is perfect for that. So this one is going to do the same thing, but it has a lighter tint. So it's not going to give you the depth like the cocoa does. And that is it, y'all. That is all you do. You just brush it through your brows. If you just want them to look more groomed, more fuller, you don't feel like dealing with a bunch of different brow products, look at that. Perfect.